Hello all TOPILOTS, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. It's been a while since my last vlog, and that's also because I don't get to fly a lot these days. In fact, etong buwan na to, month of October, isang beses pa lang ako nakakalipad. So, but that's not because kokonti yung flight. Actually, medyo dumami na yung mga flights natin. But because I have to renew all my licenses. And it's just unfortunate that this year is yung year na kailangan kong i-renew lahat ng licenses ko, like ATPL, and also my medical license, and also my radio license. So marami kaming mine-maintain, marami tayong i-maintain na lisensya kapag piloto tayo. So yun, so dahil din sa konti yung lipad natin, ibig sabihin nun, kumonti rin yung kita natin. So if you look online, makikita nyo maraming mga tao ang nagbebenta ng kung ano-ano para may additional na income. Ganon din naman ako. If you don't know, right now hindi naman ako mag-change ng career. Clickbait lang yung nasa title natin. So kailangan nating humanap ng paraan para kumita rin ng additional na income para sa mga babayarin, kasi lahat naman tayo nabawasan yung kita natin, pero yung mga babayarin natin hindi nababawasan. So I sell stuff like PC parts. Kung matatanong nyo bakit PC parts, if you're going to watch all my other videos, makikita nyo na I have a background when it comes to computers, and also I'm very passionate about photography, but I sell PC stuff. In fact, today magde-deliver ako. Well, papadala ko sa LBC dahil meron tayong customer na bumili sa Mindanao. I sell parts like this. Ito. Yan, this is PSU power supply unit. So, mga ganyan, binebenta natin para may additional tayo nakita. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak na mayaman, so kailangan natin kumayod. So today, airport reserve tayo. So that means that we have to go to the office and be a reserve pilot. Just in case merong additional flights na imamount, or just in case merong pilot na hindi available dun sa scheduled flight niya. So tayo yung magte-take over. But unlike before, ngayon kasi since konti lang yung flight, so lahat din ng mga pilots, they need to fly so that ma-maintain nila yung recency or yung currency nila sa aeroplano. So all pilots tend to fly their scheduled flights talaga ngayon. So kailangan natin pumunta sa opisina, doon tayo tatambay. So usually kapag reserve ako, yung pantaas ko nag-ano ng civilian clothes, pero yung pantalon natin saka yung sapatos sinusuot ko na walang problema. Tapos yung uniform ko dala ko na palagi. So ganun, para kapag tinawagan tayo, sabihin sa atin, "Captain, you need to take over this flight," magpapalit na ako ng pangitaas. Okay guys, since reserve naman tayo, wala tayong gagawin, I just like to share something to you. Last week, I went to the office. Last week, meron akong lipad. I flew to Puerto Princesa. It was a cargo flight. So I flew to Puerto Princesa and then back to Manila. Nagdala lang kami ng cargo doon. Then when I came back, I decided to go to the office because I received an email that my pilot suit is already ready for pickup. So nandun yung pilot suit natin. Yan. Yan yung pilot suit ko. So sabi sa akin, ready na yan. So andito tayo ngayon sa parking lot since naghihintay lang naman tayo ng tawag. So I decided to share this to you. So since I realized na marami sa mga viewers ko yung mga bata pa. When I say bata pa, yung mga nasa high school, yung iba nasa grade school pa. And meron ding iba na nagme-message sa akin or nagko-comment na parents sila nung bata, tapos pinanood din nila yung video ko and then they got hooked. So I'm posting this, I'm sharing this not to flex or to brag about it, but I want it to be a motivation for those of you who are planning to be in the airlines or to be a pilot, that these are the perks or the benefits that you get when you are in the airline industry. So hindi naman lahat ng company ganon. I'm just fortunate that my company is very supportive pagdating sa mga bagay na ganito. So if you didn't watch my video about yung what's in my bag, I might put a link here so that you can go there and watch what's inside this bag na palagi naming dala. Yung nakikita nyo hinihila-hila namin kapag lumilipad kami. So everything here, almost everything that is in here is ini-issue ng company. So I'm just sharing it to you so that you will have an idea kung ano-ano yung mga binibigay sa inyo na support. So this can serve also as your motivation, especially for those of you who are in high school or in college who would like to join the airlines someday. So ito yung mga benefits na pwede nyo makuha. Yung mga gamit. So tingnan natin So first na pwede kong i-share sa inyo, kasi nung pumunta ako sa office pala, dahil sa quarantine, matagal na since March quarantine tayo, naipon yung mga gamit na pwede kong kunin. So ito yung mga naipon na gamit ko na libre na binibigay ng company. So first, sapatos. So hindi lang basta sapatos. This is not sponsored by any of these brands. It's just that ito yung binibigay sa amin. So I'm just sharing it to you. So shoes, flight shoes, they give this to us. So bago to, ginagamit namin sa lipad. So lahat bago. May bagong sapatos pa, hindi pa amoy paa. Okay. And etong bag na to, relatively bago pa naman, ginagamit ko, may tatak. Pero binigyan na nila ulit ako ng bago ulit na bag. So tingnan natin yung bag. Yan. So bagong bago pa. Actually nandito ako sa parking lot wala naman akong ginagawa, so I might as well vlog para ma-share ko sa inyo. So bagong bag, and sa loob ng bag na to nilagay ko na rin yung ibang gamit na kasama dun sa mga freebies na binigay sa akin. Sorry, hindi pa ako makapagbigay ng freebies dahil nagtitipid din tayo, but soon when we reach 50,000 subscribers, I will give a surprise giveaway to a very lucky subscriber. That's a promise. So wala pa na laman to papel. Dito nilagay ko yung ayan. So inisyuhan kami ng raincoat. Kulay dilaw kasi Cebu Pacific. Raincoat. Issue to lahat. Ito yung foam. Mamaya makikita nyo yung headset. Foam to dun sa headset namin. So binibigay nila. Ito naman yung foam sa mic ng headset. New wings. So yung nilalagay namin dito sa amin, wings. Mahal to actually kapag pinagawa mo, pinasadya mo o bumili ka, nasa 1,000 din. So ini-issue ng company. Epaulet. So captain, kaya 4 bars. Kapag ka FO, 3 bars. Pag SO, 2 bars. Depende sa company, pero usually ganon. Ito yung nilalagay namin dito. Para ang tawag dito, bag tag. Yan, kinakabit para nandiyan yung name mo, company. What's this? Earplugs, very important para protect mo yung hearing mo. So yung mga ganitong maliliit na bagay, ini-issue pa rin yan ng company. Depende sa company. Wala na. So dito naman, flashlight with charger. These are very useful things. This one, reflectorized vest. Para kapag ka bumababa ka ng eroplano, kailangan mong isuot to. Tapos iikot ka sa eroplano, i-inspect mo yung eroplano. So mare-report ka kapag wala kang reflectorized vest. It's a safety equipment. Then this one, emergency go bag. So hindi naman siguro namin dala-dala to sa flight, pero maganda pa rin, binibigay nila. Sa loob nito, merong water jug, first aid kit. So may alcohol, very important ngayon yung alcohol. Ano to, agua oxinada, Band-Aid, ano pa ba? Ano yan? Povidone iodine. Povidone iodine pala. So ano pa? Yun lang. Condom wala. Yun. Saka itong bag na to. So yan. Ano pa ba? Necktie. So when we fly regional flights or international flights, we usually wear neckties. So yun lang. At saka isa pa na pinaka-importante, every 3 years ini-issuehan kami ng ito, pinatong kasi dito lagyan natin headset. So we have headsets na gamit namin sa paglipad. So importante to. So every 3 years ini-issuehan kami nito. Or kapag ka nasira, sasabihin mo lang doon sa opisina na pwede bang palitan yung headset ko kasi sira na dahil madalas akong lumipad. Yun, papalitan naman nila. So yun, itong mga bagay na to include your uniform, lahat yun ini-issue ng company. So that depends on the company that you are in, but more or less yun yung mga binibigay nila. So you don't have to buy it kapag ka nagtatrabaho ka, binibigay naman nila lahat. And this all concerns safety also, pero yung iba dito parang hindi naman sa safety na, talagang perks lang na binibigay ng kumpanya. So that's it, and I hope this will serve as a motivation for you guys who are planning to join us in the airlines. I know that the airline industry right now is really down, pero wala tayong ibang pwedeng gawin kundi kapit lang and hope for the best na someday it will also go back to the pre-pandemic status. Since I don't get to fly a lot these days, I don't get to do contents that shows flying. That's why kung makikita nyo dun sa ibang videos ko, I try to do some streaming and flying the simulator so that I can share to you guys the things that we do inside the aircraft. I don't want to get into trouble with the authority and gamble my license. So that's why yung hindi ko pwedeng ipakita sa inyo sa aeroplano because of a lot of regulations, I will try to show it doon sa simulator. But also there will be some changes in this channel. This is the confession part. To be honest with you, I started this channel because I want to record my life. Kasi naisip ko, mahilig ako sa camera, mahilig ako sa mga sa photography, sa video, And then I go to places a lot. Dati, when we go on layover like in China, like dun sa mga videos ko, Shanghai, Beijing, Korea. So gusto ko ma-record lahat yun. Para pagtanda ko, meron akong babalikan or may makikita yung mga anak ko. But somehow, parang naging the whole channel, it became like an educational channel for those who are aspiring to be pilots. And I'm also happy to share my life. I'm also happy to share the things that you need to do for you to achieve your dreams. But on this channel, I hope you don't mind, and I hope you will still support me. But I will be vlogging about my life, not particularly about my life as a pilot, but also my life in general. But of course, kasama pa rin yung pagiging piloto or yung anything that is aviation related. So those are the changes that will happen on this channel. I hope you will support me. Thank you very much, and on our next video, hopefully we get that 50,000 subscribers. Thank you for supporting me. So may problema ako kasi kanina inayos ko tong, kung makikita nyo, linat ko yung nandito ko sa loob ng sasakyan kasi nahihiya ako mag-vlog sa labas. So flinat ko lahat yung sandalan para meron akong space, tapos doon ako dumaan. Problema, nung natapos na akong mag-video para sa inyo, wala palang paraan na buksan yung tailgate. From there, kailangan buksan ko galing sa driver's seat. So I have to climb back to the driver's seat. Pwede rin dito sa side door. Kaso yung mga uniforme ko, ayan, naupuan ko na. Ayoko magusot. Everything for the vlog. Yeah. So, punta na tayo sa opisina. Doon muna ako tatambay kasi sayang yung diesel. Sayang yung fuel natin.